guys, we're back with Alex. So, again, we're just starting with her, but I mean, you can use the pager collar from the very first day that a dog ever even has a leash on. You know, you don't have to do all this preconditioning. You know, you're just hooking the leash to the pager and you're showing the dog from the very beginning that pager's you communicating. I don't say her name and give her a treat without having the pager. Alex! If I was applying any pressure right there, it was very slight. Anyway, this is a big, nice dog. Got the hips pre-limbed on her and both Andre, and Dr. Keller said both of their hips look good, so I'm going to start putting some serious training on them. Sue might be taking this one, but I haven't heard from her. Well, what am I saying? She called like 2 days ago. But no, around my house, that's forever. So, Alex. Starting out in the beginning, I'm not trying to do a bunch of rigid heeling, screaming sit. Nothing like that. Treat motivated though. Pretty dog, what do you say? Oh, let's just walk over here a little. Alex. At this point, except for her name, but I mean, again, that means